how to fit a spade bit in a DeWALT cordless drill. So first things first, if there's a bit already in, put the drill down and twist away from you to untighten the chuck. Take out the current bit, get your spade bit, which is this one here, any size. Then you want to open up the chuck so your spade bit fits in. Then you want to twist towards you this time to tighten the chuck back up until you feel it pinch. Then you want to put the drill down on the surface, hold the drill at the top and give it one final twist like that towards you to get it really tight, and you'll have successfully fit a spade bit into your DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.